Here's our look in life. You're lucky. I'm lucky. We're all unlucky. But don't worry, that's a good thing. Let me make my point. You're not going to win lottery. You're not going to win in Vegas. You may get cramps when you bring on yourself. Actually, they don't want me to work rules, so I'll keep it straight. Now, people say to me all the time, Adam, what do you mean you're not lucky? Look at your house. Look at your cars. Look at your life. Look at your wife. Look at everything that you have. That's not luck. That's me. I earned that. And if I was lucky, I'd probably still be sitting in my one-bedroom apartment in North Hollywood on my futon, scratching lottery tickets. See, that you see, I know I'm lucky. I would have bet on the last 5 Super Bowls and lost. As a matter of fact, I lost 4 in a row instead of betting this last year because I lose every year. And Jimmy Kimmel called me and he said, who do you like in the Super Bowl? And I said, I'm not betting Jimmy. And he said, you have to bet. So I know how to bet because I'm going to bet against you because you're that unlucky. And I lost. Thus he won. So when a rich guy gets richer. People say, oh, well, if you had met Jimmy Kimmel, you'd have gone in on radio. So I was lucky. All graduates who are lucky not to be born, stillborn, or to have been clipped by a cattle truck when we were rollerblading, or not step in a bear trap when we were 5 years old and devoured by hyenas. That's how my cousin went. But the point is, yes, we're lucky to be standing on this planet without a horrible disease. And I understand there are some people that are super unlucky and have things like tumors and bronchitis and that sort of thing. We dodge that bullet. So your dad could own a Ferrari dealership that will put you at the top, or you could be born without your limbs that will put you on the bottom. But then there's a middle, and the middle is where 99% of us reside. And what I'm trying to tell you is, don't count on luck. Rely on hard work. Look at life as a prize fight, and you've got to get up and do rower every morning. And you've got to wear that heavy bag, and you've got to wear the speed bag, and you've got to wear that double on the bag. What's a double on the bag? That's one in the middle. It's got a bungee cord on each side. It's cool. Anyway, I digress. Why? Because if you don't train, you go to that ring of life and get your ass whooped. And I don't want to see that happen to you. So let's not rely on Vegas. Let's not rely on the lottery. Let's rely on hard work. But Adam, you met Jimmy Kimmel. You're so lucky. He made your career. No. Jimmy didn't come to my house. I went to Jimmy's work. And I couldn't get into it because it was a radio station and it was locked up. And I came back in the next morning and I got in. And I found him and make my own luck. Think if it ever comes down to contest, if your resume is on a desk and there's someone else's resume on a desk and they're both exactly equal, there's going to pick the other guy's resume every time. Look at life that way. Thus, your resume must be twice as good as the guy you're going against. Now that you guys are feeling like you're born under a dark cloud, let's get out there and take over the world.